Elon Musk just announced he's replacing Microsoft's 220,000 employees with AI agents. And he's calling the company Macrohard. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's got to be a joke, right? Well, I looked into it, and here's what shocked me. This is actually happening. Musk has already filed the trademark, hired engineers, and claims AI can do everything Microsoft does without the humans. Welcome back to bitbiased.ai, where we do the research so you don't have to. Join our community of AI enthusiasts with our free weekly newsletter. Click the link in the description below to subscribe. You will get the key AI news, tools, and learning resources to stay ahead. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through what Macrohard actually is, why Musk thinks AI can replace an entire Microsoft-scale operation, and what this means for the future of software development and your career. By the end, you'll understand whether this is genuine innovation or just another Musk headline. Let's start with what we know so far about this ambitious project. What is Macrohard? Elon Musk's XAI venture recently announced Macrohard, and it's being described as a purely AI software company. Now, when I first heard this, I thought it was just another one of Musk's provocative tweets. But the more I dug into it, the more I realized this is actually happening. Musk himself explained that since Microsoft doesn't make hardware, an AI-based company could theoretically replicate all its software operations. Think about that for a second. Every line of code, every project management decision, every quality assurance test, all done by AI agents instead of human engineers. That's the vision here. Now here's where it gets interesting. Despite calling it AI only, Musk is actively hiring human engineers right now. So what gives? Well, the idea is that a small core team of humans would build and supervise the AI agents that do the actual work. It's not quite the fully autonomous robot company the name suggests, but it's still a radical departure from how software companies operate today. XAI has already filed a trademark for Macrohard covering a broad range of AI software products. They've even set up a Delaware LLC called Macrohard Ventures. This isn't vaporware, there's real infrastructure being built. But beyond the trademark and the big vision, the actual products, timelines, and customers are still to be determined. The AI landscape play. What makes Macrohard different from other AI experiments is its scope. We're not talking about an AI coding assistant or a chatbot. Musk wants AI agents to handle every phase of building and selling software. That means AI writing code, finding bugs, managing workflows, designing interfaces, and even handling marketing tasks. If this actually works, the implications are staggering. Industry analysts suggest this could cut development costs by 70% or more. Why? Because hundreds of specialized AI agents could work around the clock without fatigue, without vacation days, without the overhead that comes with human employees. One agent generates an app concept, another writes the code, another tests it, another optimizes performance. It's like having an infinite team that never sleeps. Musk isn't starting from scratch either. He's leveraging XAI's massive compute resources, including the Colossus supercomputer in Memphis and a vast GPU fleet. This is the same infrastructure powering Grok, XAI's chatbot. The cross-portfolio synergies are also intriguing. Imagine AI-written software benefiting Tesla's self-driving systems, while data from Tesla and Neuralink feeds back into Macrohard's AI training. It's a closed loop of innovation. But wait until you see this. Even skeptics who think Musk is overselling admit that Macrohard is the highest profile attempt yet to run a full-stack software company purely on AI. Earlier projects like Cognition and Adept have tried similar concepts on a smaller scale. But nothing has had this level of ambition and resources behind it. Now, before we get too excited, experts are urging caution. Enterprise software requires brutal levels of reliability, security, and integration. AI agents still make mistakes, sometimes spectacular ones. One experiment that's been widely cited involved an AI that accidentally deleted a company's entire production database. So we should expect slick demos and niche tools before anything approaching a full Microsoft replacement is actually ready for prime time. The Microsoft Challenge. By design, Macrohard is pitched as a direct shot at Microsoft. Musk openly calls it a nod to Microsoft, and even has the motto, Macrohard greater than Microsoft, from years ago. The goal is crystal clear. Duplicate everything Microsoft does, Windows, Office, Azure, enterprise software, but with AI agents instead of human engineers. Here's where the business model gets fascinating. Macrohard isn't planning to sell traditional software packages like Microsoft does with Windows or Office 365. Instead, according to Musk's AI chatbot Grok, they'll sell specialized agents that work in multi-agent teams. One agent for coding, another for image editing, another for video production, another for workflow automation. All of them powered by Grok and working together seamlessly. The promise is that this approach could undercut Microsoft's human-driven model on both price and speed. If AI can replace large developer teams, Macrohard could potentially charge less for services or move much faster to market. That's the theory anyway. But here's the reality check. Microsoft has decades of experience, massive ecosystems like Windows and Xbox and Surface, and enormous revenues. Dethroning them is not just hard, it's arguably one of the hardest challenges in all of tech. Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates has even weighed in, warning that coding is too complex to fully replace humans with AI. Still, Macrohard's very existence signals something important. Musk believes there's an opening because Microsoft has slowed in innovation. He's betting that a fully AI company could step in and compete more aggressively in software, cloud services, and AI tools. Whether he's right or delusional is the billion-dollar question. Impact on everyday life. So what does this mean for regular people like you and me? If Macrohard succeeds, we could see a fundamental shift in how software gets built and delivered. Imagine faster innovation cycles. New AI applications could appear at unprecedented speed because AI agents are continuously coding and testing ideas without human bottlenecks. Your favorite apps could get updates weekly instead of monthly. New features you never knew you needed could just appear. The cost savings could also trickle down to consumers. If Macrohard really does slash development costs by 70%, software and cloud services might become significantly cheaper, or at least they might pack in way more features for the same price. But there's a darker side to this story. Entire engineering teams might be replaced by AI agents for certain tasks. That raises serious questions about job displacement. Future coders might need to become AI supervisors or tool builders instead of writing every line of code themselves. The nature of work in tech could change fundamentally. Musk is very optimistic about this. He envisions Macrohard making products faster and cheaper, positioning AI as a game changer for various industries. Others are more cautious, pointing to trust and safety hurdles. How do you ensure an AI agent doesn't accidentally wipe critical data? How do you maintain security when AI is making decisions autonomously? The truth is, we're moving into uncharted territory. Common folks may eventually use the fruits of Macrohard's labors: smarter apps, 24/7 AI services, more powerful productivity tools. But we'll also be living with big questions about automation's risks, ethics, and the future of work itself. Musk's promises versus reality. Elon Musk is known for big visions and even bigger statements. He said Macrohard will be profoundly impactful at an immense scale, able to do anything short of manufacturing physical objects directly. He's even joked that Macrohard will scale like Apple by outsourcing hardware manufacturing while owning software and design. In short, Musk promises a future where a tiny human team and vast AI fleet can undercut tech giants. That's an incredibly bold claim. But here's what multiple industry experts want you to know. Purely AI doesn't actually mean zero employees. XAI is still recruiting engineers to build and oversee the system. Longtime tech observers point out that Musk often pushes catchy names and ambitious ideas. Remember when he rebranded Twitter as X? And some of those ideas take far longer to materialize than promised. The consensus among analysts is that Macrohard is real as a project, but extremely hard to pull off. One detailed analysis argues that in the next 12 to 24 months, we might see impressive AI tools from Macrohard backed by xAI's compute power. But replacing Microsoft-level enterprise products? That's very hard and unlikely in the near term. Windows Central pointed out a key concern. Integrating AI at scale is fraught with pitfalls. They cited that same experiment where an AI accidentally wiped a codebase. These aren't trivial bugs, they're potentially business-ending mistakes. There's also the matter of Musk's bandwidth. He's already juggling Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the social platform X. Adding Macrohard to the mix stretches his attention and resources even further. Some skeptics suggest that Macrohard may initially serve more as a publicity statement than an immediately viable competitor. It's an excuse to signal distaste for Microsoft, one commentator wrote, echoing how Musk's prior tweets have sometimes been more provocative than practical. So while Musk promises an AI-run software company that could rival Microsoft, and early signs like hiring and trademarks show he's serious, industry analysts warn that achieving this goal will take much more than a name and hype. It will require solving hard technical, legal, and trust issues first. Final thoughts. Macrohard is a fascinating experiment at the intersection of AI and software. It embodies Musk's trademark ambition and headline-grabbing style, a claim that AI can run a Microsoft-scale business from the ground up. Here's what we know for certain. Macrohard is more than a Twitter joke. It has real resources behind it, including advanced AI models, supercomputers, and funding. But the specifics, product roadmaps, user benefits, concrete timelines are still murky. We'll have to watch xAI's announcements and hiring to see how this AI-only company actually takes shape. For AI enthusiasts, Grok fans, and everyday tech users, this is a big story to follow. It raises enormous possibilities like faster innovation and cheaper services, but also enormous concerns about automation risk and whether we're overselling what AI can actually do. As Musk himself said, this project is very real. Whether it revolutionizes software or becomes a footnote in tech history, it's already reshaping the conversation about where AI can go next. And honestly, that might be the most important impact of all, forcing us to confront what's possible and what's at stake when we let AI take the wheel. If you found this breakdown helpful, let me know in the comments what you think about Macrohard. Is Musk onto something revolutionary, or is this just another overhyped project? I'd love to hear your take. And if you want to stay updated on major AI developments like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.